ready?
Naku, yan na. Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Ayan na ba? Ayan na ba?
Baka
Ayan na ba?
may question dito, single kami ha. Alam ko magaganda kami dito, pero ano
Hindi
lang,
ko
for
ganun yung
Europe. Oo,
Ay,
for
naku, ako
Europe.
taken na ako.
Taken na,
Oo, may
okay.
asawa na ako.
Okay, from Jess, pwede po bang cross country kung sakali po? I think this is a quite obvious question.
Oo.
Cross
Here, do
country.
you have any insights?
For the cross-country, guys, kailangan nandito muna kayo sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Dahil Pilipinas po, ang DFA po, the Department of Foreign Affairs po, ang nag-aasikaso ng ating apostilling sa ating mga documents.
Yes.
Okay.
To add it up din, no, quick add. Kasi kailangan niyo talagang dumaan, no,
Or procedure.
ng normal procedure natin, SOP natin dito sa PNI. And part of it is yung pre-screening, although kaya naman natin yun online, pero syempre, iba pa din yung face-to-face interactions. And also, yun na nga, yung pag-process ng documents, it will be very challenging sa iyo. So, we recommend, tapusin mo muna para yung kontrata mo dyan, uwi ng maayos sa Pilipinas,
that's right.
and then welcome ka dito.
Oo.
Anytime, bukas ang pintuan ng PNI
Yeah.
para sa inyo.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So, yun ang
actually,
may
it's
sasabi ko
mandated
dyan.
by DMW
Yes,
din na
oo.
kailangan mo nang umuwi bago.
Yung
Ayun,
process.
pumunta ko sa... Okay.
Naligaw sa ibang
Yes,
bansa.
that's right. Okay, for the next question, what age accepted, Sir Ma'am, for first-timer trailer truck driver?
Okay.
Age
So,
requirement.
Age requirement natin, guys, is until 42 years old. Kasi 42, dahil sa Europe, if narinig niyo yung in-explain ni Miss Anna, 4 seasons sila doon, 4 weather.
Oh, parang juice lang ha, 4 seasons.
Oo.
Sarap nun.
Okay.
Oo, kasi
sarap nun.
Medyo sana all.
Yes, ano talaga.
Kailangan for the 42 years old
Yes.
is nasa overall good condition
Condition.
yung
Mm.
katawan ninyo.
Mm-mm.
Para kapag nag-drive kayo in different weathers is hindi mahihirapang mag-adjust yung bodies ninyo kapag nagda-drive kayo all around or in different parts of the European countries.
Yeah, that's right. Kasi medyo may nararamdaman na
Challenging na
kailangan
rin talaga.
medyo-
Oh.
Oo.
If I may add din, basically, team, ito yon. Pagdating sa age limit, it is being required by our client. Kami dito sa PNI, hanggat maaari makatulong tayo sa lahat
Oo,
ng Pilipino.
71
Pwede
na.
na, ilalagay
Wag
natin.
Kaya mo mag-drive ng 80 years old, why
Yes,
not?
why not? Oh, kahit dipital pa yan. Just kidding. No? Pero, yun nga lang, please understand na kami din naman, nagre-rely tayo sa qualifications being set by the client. Ngayon, isa din dito, halimbawa, nabanggit ni Ms. Claire 42, means baka mamaya, in future, maka-receive kami ng client na tatanggap nila kahit 55.
Yeah.
So, ipopost naman din natin yan sa Facebook page natin, etc. No? Ngayon, ito lang kasi din, kaya din nila siniset yung medyo mas bata-bata pa. Kasi ang Europeans din kasi, ang mindset nila, they would want to have a longer employee and employer relationship. So, halimbawa, 42 ka ngayon, okay, pasok ka pa, so natanggap ka. Ngayon, makita nila maganda yung performance mo and also yung body, yung katawan, yung conditioning mo sa sarili mo. So, ipoprolong pa nila yon. How much more kung mas bata ka pa, let's say mga 28, nakalipad ka na doon, tapos di mas maganda, no? So, again, by default, no, just to be clear, it is the client who set the standards. Sumusunod lang tayo sa gusto nila. But however, pag meron tayong opportunity na papasok yung age mo, kahit sabi natin lagpas ka sa 40, walang problema. Kagaya ng sabi namin kanina, bukas ang pintuan ng PNI para sa inyo.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for that. So for next question, meron nag-ask, what countries in Europe are currently connected to your company daw? So we have, di ba, Croatia,
Croatia, Slovenia,
Slovenia,
Yeah. And
hopefully Hungary soon, no?
hopefully Hungary, Slovakia, pwede din mag-open. I think in all industry pinag-uusapan natin, siguro ang tanong niya, no? So lahatin na natin. So in the future, perhaps we can have Finland as well. Netherlands, no? Finland, Netherlands, Slovakia, nasabi natin, Lithuania, and kung sakali, lahatin na natin yan. Kung kaya, kunin natin lahat
ng
Pero in the
European,
meantime, yun yung mga active, natin, na wino-work out natin mga clients.
Okay,
no?
thank you for that. So, meron dito, how long is the process for trailer truck driver going to Europe? Process daw.
Yan ang pinakamasaya.
Actually, guys, for European application natin, since nabanggit natin during the talk, na isa to sa pinaka-strict countries
Mhm.
pagdating sa mga aspiring workers natin. Medyo may katagalan, to be honest and to be transparent
Yeah.
with you.
Dapat na.
Possible is umaabot tayo ng 6 to 9 months or even more than.
More than,
The
yeah.
reason for that is because the government in those European countries is talagang sinasala nila
Yes.
lahat ng mga pumapasok na foreign candidates or foreign applicants sa kanila.
Yes.
So, tinitignan nila ng maigi yung mga documents or the apostille documents na ipoprovide ninyo to see and to verify if all of them are authentic, legalized, and true to its claim.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
So,
patience is the key.
Patience is the key talaga.
Exactly.
Actually, maaari may mga nanonood dito na,
On
"Uy,
process
actually,
na."
hindi nga lang na, no?
Ah.
Lagpas na kami dyan. Mamaya may makikita tayo sa comments yan, no? Sa comments dito. No? So, kasi ganito din yung team. Isa din sa nakita natin dito, basically, we can, lalo na yung Croatia and Slovenia, halos ngayon na sila nagbukas ng market.
Last na year.
Actually, last year nga.
Pa.
So, yung influx ng mga aplikante na hindi wag lang natin pag-usapan Pilipino, also ibang lahi. So, from time to time, parang nagkakamap sila na habang nag-accept sila, teka, medyo kailangan nating higpitan dito. Itong mga learning curve along they execute that process, no? So, kaya yung unang mga candidates natin, talagang ang tagal talaga ng process.
Yeah.
Aminin natin. Actually, dito sa atin, yun yung mga hindi natin kontrolado, like apostille. Diyan parang tatagal na talaga. So, once na natapos na nila yung apostille and then we submit the original to the host country for applying work permit,
Maghihintay na naman.
antay ulit.
Okay.
So, yun.
The
So,
government
naman nilang inaantay natin. So, they have their own, no, processing time. So, beyond our control yan. So, with that being said, antay lang tayo sa mga updates ng employee. Kami naman, no, panay din naman ng follow-ups natin, ng team natin, kung ano na yung nangyayari. And, yun. So, yun na nga, sa unang ano natin, umaabot talaga ng 1 year mahigit. Pero ngayon, sa totoo lang, medyo umuusad na ng konti. 9, 8 months, ganyan.
Just to add, kasi di ba, a while ago, may flinash tayong videos, mga pictures ng mga candidates natin. Yung mga workers na yun, guys, is dumaan sila sa tamang process.
Yes.
That's
Sila
right.
yung testimony actually
Ayan.
nakaranas ng
Lang may nilaga. May tiyaga, nilaga.
O ngayon, may bulalo na sila.
nakalagay
Ng-
yung paghihintay ng process natin sa European countries, to which by now, they actually successfully
Oo
passed
nga.
the code 95.
95.
and nagdadrive
Congratulations.
sila ngayon
In
sa
short,
European
sila na yung sumakses.
Mm-mm.
No? Kaya success din
Kaya,
na kayo.
oo. Okay, that is insightful. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Mr. Lee and Miss Claire. So I think sagutin pa ba natin
Last
to?
question.
Ma'am, I think last question, after signing contract, ano po susunod?
Mukhang applicant natin yata yan. Di ba?
Naghihintay.
so just-
Naghihintay ng nilaga.
Just to generalize, no, after signing of contract, pare,
application na.
application of work permit yan. So, just wait for our queue, no? Kung ano yung hihingin din sa atin employer, vice versa, sasabihin din naman natin sa inyo. No, so ang importante, you already secured the spot. Tinanggap ka ng employer. So, malaking step. Kumaga, sa pwede consider it's a small step, pero malaking bagay na yun. Na ipagpasalamat natin. So, just wait, dadating din yan.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Claire
you,
and
thank
Mr.
you.
Lee for
Thank
that
you.
your information, knowledge. I know na yung mga participants natin ngayon, ang dami overload yung information nila ngayon. And if you have more questions and all, bukas ang PNI for, answering your inquiries. Our website, actually search PNI International sa Facebook page. Active ang PNI International Facebook page. And then website for more information about, trailer truck drivers going to Europe. So again, I think one last message, Mr. Lee, Miss Claire, for our viewers before we end.
Ako, again, thank you sa panonood, sa pakikinig ninyo,
Yes.
ha. And yun na nga sabi ko kanina, kung sila sumakses na Hopefully, kayo din.
Oo.
Kayo naman, tulungan lang
Paalisin na.
yan. In
Huwag
God's
mag-drive.
willing. God's willing
That's
yan.
right.
Na magkita-kita silang lahat
Yeah,
sa
oo.
European countries.
Mm-mm.
Pero nandito ako sa Germany.
True.
May
Miss Snow ba dyan?
hineken ako dito.
Miss Snow ako
pare.
dito.
Ayan, may yelo na ako dito.
Sana Earl. Okay. I think that's all. I just want, before this live session end, I just want to thank our guest speaker again, Miss Anna, for joining us kanina. So, thank you for her time na nag-spend siya, although busy girl, si Miss
Yeah,
Anna
oo.
natin.
Very,
Nag-take
Saludos.
time siya for that,
Cumpleaños, saludos.
for that information. And I think, for our tech team, Sir Kurt, special
Yes,
mention, and JJ
oo.
for Europe team. Thank you so much. And
And of course, thank you din, Ella. This opportunity. Kasi,
Okay.
at least ito yung opportunity natin
Ah.
share sa kanila. Kaya
That's
thank you,
right.
thank you, thank you.
Okay. And then don't worry guys, for other positions and all, we will be having this event. I think this is so much successful na.
Yeah.
So there's coming more event that you just have to visit our PNI International Facebook page just to keep you guys posted on what's happening to PNI. And again, thank you so much for watching this live session, and I guess we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye, gang, gang. Bye-bye. Thank you.